My pregnant wife. My name is Dave. I'm 35 years old. There's a big emptiness in my life. I still feel like I'm not a complete person. I'm always waiting for that emptiness to be filled. But I don't even know when that will be. I married Sandy 5 years ago. We were so in love, like everyone else. We dreamed about our married life. We wanted to build a beautiful family with children and live happily after we got married. We moved into my house after our wedding. We had so many hopes. We thought those hopes would come true quickly. Sandy didn't have a job. She always wanted to be a housemaker. So I supported her desire. Sandy stayed home, grew beautiful flowers, and cooked delicious food. Our home became my favorite place in the world. We were so happy. We traveled to beautiful places. In fact, other people even started to envy our lives. Sandy's biggest dream was to become a mother. She loved little children so much. Whenever she saw a child on the street, she would look at them with so much love. She treated her sister's children as if they were her own. I knew that one day Sandy would be a loving mother. But no matter how much we hoped, we couldn't have a baby. Sandy eagerly waited to become a mother, but day by day, her hopes and mine were shattered. After about 2 years, we still couldn't become parents. We went to many doctors for this. We underwent a lot of treatments, but Sandy's womb never carried a child. Because of this, Sandy spent her time in great sadness. This was the time when many people started asking us why we still didn't have a child. When they asked that, Sandy was sadder than I was. On some days, she would cry a lot because of this issue. We spent our time in great sorrow. I didn't want Sandy to be sad, so I took her on a trip. I took her to every place she loved to visit. That trip filled both our hearts with joy. We decided not to be sad anymore and to be happy no matter what. Time passed this way. One day, Sandy suddenly fell ill. When I found her unconscious in the bathroom, I quickly brought her to the hospital. I had to wait outside while the doctors examined Sandy. I had to wait for about half an hour, and those were the longest minutes of my life. After a little while, the doctor came out. I ran to the doctor and he had a beautiful smile on his face. Sandy is going to be a mother, the doctor said with a smile. I was at a loss for words. That means we are going to be parents. My heart screamed that thought. I quickly ran to Sandy. Her eyes were filled with tears of joy. Sandy, you are a mother now, I shouted. I quickly ran and hugged Sandy. It still feels like a dream to me. It's truly a miracle that we were able to become parents after 5 years. So, if someone were to ask me what the happiest day of my life was, that day was the happiest day of my life. Thanks for listening this story.